Dancehall artist Ikya has teamed up with Dexta Daps once again, this time on a track dubbed My General Remix. The collaboration has gained over 250,000 views on streaming platform YouTube. This marks the third time the two have joined forces on a track. Ikya shared details with E-Prime on working with Dexta Daps on this new track.
Dex and I, we have a great chemistry. We go way back. This is not our first time working together. We have a single called Nosy Neighbors, which was produced by Triple L Records, that we've been on the road promoting on his Times Own a Live Experience tour. Meanwhile on tour, I did a song called My General, which was produced by Sponge Music. He heard the song, he fell in love with the song and said that he wanted to do the remix. And that's how the remix came about. The love that we have been getting on the road is amazing. We just got back from Guyana. We just did Barbados, just to name a few. It's just a blessing to be able to perform in front of our fans again. Being able to be on stage with Dexta, for him to share his platform with me on his Live Experience tour. I'm truly grateful for that.
Both the original version of General and the remix are produced by Charles Williston, who is popularly known as Charles Sponge for his Sponge music label. Ikya is currently embarked on the Ventex Own a Tour with Dexta Daps, which started last year. The two recently performed in Guyana alongside Christopher Martin as well as Louis Culture and others. Ikya was featured on Dexta Daps' album Vent, which was released in 2020. The two had teamed up on a raunchy single dubbed Nosy Neighbor. Rapper Megan Thee Stallion recently opened up about her alleged shooting incident which involves Canadian rapper Tory Lanez. The Houston native sat down for an exclusive interview with Gayle King, which aired on Monday morning, where she revealed that the alleged incident took place after a party at Kylie Jenner's house in July of 2020. During the interview, the rapper admitted to lying to the police in her initial report by stating that she cut her foot by stepping on broken glass because she was afraid of the police's response at the height of George Floyd's shooting death. It was later revealed that she had suffered a gunshot wound, which was confirmed by medical reports. She also revealed that Lanez offered her $1 million to remain silent. The interview was met with a lot of mixed reviews from online fans. Now, the 2022 Super Bowl leather Wilson football, signed by most of this year's all-star halftime hip-hop performers, is set to go on sale. The item will be part of a sale running from May 12 to 14. The ball will boast the signatures of Dr. Dre, Eminem, Mary J. Blige, Kendrick Lamar, and Anderson .Paak, who were all a part of the Super Bowl performance. The Pepsi Super Bowl 56 halftime show was held at the SoFi Stadium in Inglewood, California, and was produced by Jay-Z. The show was marked as the first ever halftime performance firmly focused on hip-hop and was dubbed by many as the best Super Bowl halftime show of all time. I'm Adrian Gordon reporting for E-Prime.